Glow up, stay smooth, the secret to flawless skin and luscious hair in one bottle. Imagine your skin glowing with radiance and your hair looking healthier and shinier than ever, all without breaking the bank. Sounds good, right? That's exactly what Disaar Vitamin C brightening face and body oil brings to the table. The game changer your skin and hair need. This oil is more than just a moisturizer. It's enriched with natural extracts that work fast to hydrate, smooth wrinkles, and tackle stubborn dark spots. Say goodbye to fine lines and dry patches. Plus, it boosts scalp circulation to promote hair growth, leaving your hair smoother, stronger, and full of life. Why you love it brightens and hydrates. Get that healthy glow while locking in moisture. Anti-aging power, reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and pesky hyperpigmentation. Multi-purpose, perfect for face, body, and even hair care. Bonus, the bright yellow color is a reminder of the natural goodness packed inside. Special offer, blow up for just 4,000 naira. This all-in-one skincare and hair care gem is flying off the shelves for just 4,000 naira. Whether you're prepping for the day ahead or winding down after a shower, simply apply and massage it in for a smooth, non-greasy finish. Ready to glow up? Don't wait, click the link to order now. Shop Disaar Vitamin C oil now. It's time to give your skin and hair the care they deserve.